Alzheimer's is another one. We didn't have Alzheimer's disease 2,000 years ago. Otherwise, it would have been the 8th plague that Moses laid on the Pharaoh, right? I mean, it's a terrible disease. And we didn't have it 100 years ago. We only began to see Alzheimer's disease in America after the Second World War when we switched from butter to margarine. This is a physician-caused disease because they've urged everybody to give up butter and go to margarine. And I'll prove this to you in a minute. Now, we learned how to prevent and cure 65% of the Alzheimer's disease in animals 50 years ago. Can you imagine a dairy farmer with 500 head of dairy cows way out in the pasture, and he's shaking the feed bucket and yelling to them, and the cows are out there scratching their heads saying, why do we want to go to the barn? And if we did, where is it? Now, you'd have to pump gas into the ATV and run out there and get them, run the price of milk up. And so we learned how to prevent Alzheimer's disease and cure it in livestock, just for those reasons. And we did this with a low vegetable oil diet that's rich in vitamin E and selenium. Now, Ralph Nader says it's the 4th leading cause of death in Americans over the age of 65 now. It went from 0 50 years ago to now it's the 4th leading cause of death in seniors over age 65. You should have gotten a 2-cent photocopy of this news release or the scientific paper from your doctors 3 years ago. This is from the University of California at San Diego School of Medicine. Vitamin E can ease memory loss in Alzheimer's victims. How many of you got that notice from your doctor? Nobody. Remember, the doctors own 51% of the stock in the nursing home that takes care of Alzheimer's patients.